Hello and welcome to Recruitech India. I'm your host Turinaya, bringing to you yet another episode on the Java Beginners Interview Series. So, today we are going to do yet another program on the sum of numbers and natural numbers, but the sum is a little different. Let us look at the board as to what I'm talking about and then try to write a program accordingly. So here it says to print the sum of the following series, and the series go 1 minus 2 plus 3 minus 4 plus 5 minus 6, right? So here if you see all the even numbers are being subtracted, whereas all the odd numbers are being added. And that's literally the logic, right? So we will run a for int I equals not 0, not 0, 1. I less than equals to 6, I plus plus. And then we will check if I mod 2 equals to 0 to check if the I value is even. If that is the case, then sum should be subtracted s minus I, else sum should be added s plus I. S is equals to s plus I. And of course, at the beginning, we will have to say that int s equals to 0. That's literally the logic. Here, all we needed to check was even and odd numbers. If the number is even, then subtract. If it is odd, then add. Right? Let us go ahead and write a program for it. So, we are going to go ahead and we will take a variable for s. So we'll say int s equals to 0. This is supposed to have our sum. And it clearly said that the loop is supposed to run till 6. So we'll go ahead, int I is equals to 1, semicolon, I less than equals to 6, I plus plus. Then we will check if I value is even. If I mod 2 equals to 0, if it is even, then we should do minus s is equals to s minus I, else s equals to s plus I. Okay. Once that is sorted, just go ahead and say system.out.println sum of series is s. So let's print it, and it gives us negative 3. That is our value, right? So what we have to simply do is just go ahead and see. So first of all, the value of I is going to be 1. 1 mod I equals to 2. It is not the case, meaning it is odd. So it will be added 0 plus 1. Then next time 2 is supposed to be subtracted. 1 minus 2 will give you minus 1 and so on. Right? Let us quickly see a dry run for it. Oh, here we go. Let us go ahead and paste our code. Okay. So first of all, s is 0. Let us take the variable s as 0. I is 1. I is 1. And the condition it will check I is less than equals to 6. That is the case. It is 2. Now it will check if I mod 2 equals to 0. So if I is even, basically I is not even, so it will go to the else and it will add s is equals to s plus 1. So s plus I, s is 0, I is 1. So 0 plus 1 is 1. Next time it will go back again to the top, it will do I plus plus. So I will become 2. It will check the condition. 2 is less than 6. Yes, it is. It will check 2 mod 2 equals to 0. That is true. Then it will subtract. Right? S minus I. So 1 minus 2 will give you minus 1. Right? Next time, again it will go back here, I plus plus. So I will become 3. and it will check 3 mod 2 equals to 0. It is not, so it will go in the else part and it will add. So s plus I, meaning s is minus 1 plus 3 should give you plus 2, right? Minus 1 plus 3 is supposed to give you plus 2. So s has 2 now. Now again it will go back, the counter will increase and the I value will go from 3 to 4. And 4 mod 2 is equals to 0. It is an even number, so it will again subtract s minus I. 2 minus 4. 2 minus 4 is minus 2, right? Then again the value of I will increase and it will become 5. Again for 5 it will check, it is odd, so odd will become s plus I. Now 5 plus I, sorry, minus 2 minus 5 is minus 7, so you will get minus 7. Oh, hold on, plus 5 now. 5 is odd, so minus 2 plus 5, so you'll get minus, sorry, plus 3, so let us make it plus 3. After that we will again go and change this value to 6. 6 is even, so it will be subtracted, minus, sorry, plus 3 minus 6, it will give you minus 3. So sum value will become minus 3 in the end, right? That is why we were getting minus 3 as our sum of the series. I hope the dry run is understood. I went on with the dry run really fast because we have done the dry run of similar programs for the while loops. And if you're watching these videos in a series, you must understand by now how these dry runs work. I would urge you to also do the dry run on your own when you are writing the program so as to understand the program well. Once that is done, I think you'll be able to write your own codes as well, right? So these are some programs that we will be seeing rather in the future as well. However, for now, go ahead and go through these videos. If you're not able to understand in one time, please watch them twice. If you like the video, hit the like button and subscribe.